Hi, in this lesson, we will see what is search query report. This is also called as search term report. So, in this class, we will see about what is search query report, how we can analyze search query reports, and why is it so important to analyze search query report. So, before starting this search query reports, so I wanted to ask you two questions. So, one is, who do you think we are? So, you have heard correctly. So, who are we? So, we are humans, right? So, what is so special about humans in this nature? So, it is cognitive ability, right? We humans think, we humans think about what we need, right? And what is Google? Tell me. So, Google is nothing but some bunch of algorithms. That's it. Nothing more than that. So, why I am telling this? Who is, who we are, and what is this Google? So, let's start. Okay. So, when we add keywords into search campaigns in Google Ads account, do you think those keywords that we have added are sufficient? Trust me, they are not sufficient because so according to Google, around 15 to 20% of the daily searches are very new. Okay, so let's say that a user has come into Google search engine and he has typed a new query. So he has used new words, new phrases. Okay, and with for that search query, our ad got triggered. So the user has clicked on our ad and he entered into website and he got converted. So don't you think adding that new search query as a keyword in your search campaign would benefit your client? You are getting me right? So this is where analyzing the search query report helps. So this is what the importance of analyzing the search query report in order to identify new search queries, new trends, so new human behavior. All these things we can observe in search query reports. Okay. So there is one more benefit for analyzing this search query report. So the other is to identify the irrelevant keywords, I mean irrelevant search terms, so that we can add them as negative keywords in our accounts so that we can decrease the ad spend. We can decrease the wastage of the spend. Okay. So a user here let's take an example. A user comes into search engine and types a query, our ad appears and he clicks on it, but he don't gets converted. So every time for the same search query, our ad appears and users go on clicking on our ads. Every time we incur spend, there is unnecessary wastage. So they simply click on our ad, they enter into website and they exit without any conversion. But there is just wastage of spend. That's it. So don't you think adding such keywords as negatives would benefit the client so that we can use that the budget that is going into these irrelevant searches for some other efficient campaigns? So you are getting me right? So this is where analyzing the search term reports is very important. Okay. So there are two main benefits of analyzing this search term report. One is to identify the new keywords that helps to determine what is the trend. Okay. And another is to identify the irrelevant negative keywords. I mean irrelevant searches so that we can add them as negative keywords in our campaigns. So you are getting me right? So I hope you have understood this lesson about what is search query report and how we can uh, what are the different benefits of this search query report. So in the next coming lessons, we'll be discussing about how to analyze this search query reports. Okay. So how to identify the new keywords, how to identify the irrelevant keywords so that we can add them as negative keywords. Okay. So we will meet in the next lesson.